सब्सक्राइब कीजिए मार्क ट्यूटोरियल यूट्यूब चैनल को और प्रेस कीजिए इस बेल आइकन को ताकि आपको मिल सके हमारे लेटेस्ट वीडियोस सबसे पहले। Hello friends and welcome to Mark ERP tutorial in which we will see the process to renew the license of Mark ERP software. And we can renew the license of Mark software in three ways. First, through Mark ERP software, second through Mark website, and third through the link received in SMS. You will take care of one thing, that at the time of renewing the license, the internet connectivity is compulsory in your system and phone. So firstly, we will see the process to renew Mark license through Mark ERP software, for which you will log in from supervisor's ID. Then go to master's menu, then Mark licensing, and then click on online or view payments option. Then Mark Gateway window will open, in which you will click on License tab. As you will click on License tab, then these three windows will appear in front of you along with different fields, that is payment details, billing address, and GSTIN detail. So firstly, we will fill the fields given in payment details window, in which first field is license number. In this you will feed your license number or customer ID, which you can see from the top of Mark software home screen. Then feed the CAPTCHA as shown here in CAPTCHA field and click here on this tick sign. So the software will autofill the details of the other fields like basic amount, number of users, total amount, allowed users, GST 18%, extra users amount, final amount. Now we will come to billing address window, in which you will feed your mobile number in mobile number field and press enter. So as you will press enter after feeding the mobile number, then the software will auto fill these fields, that is email ID, firm name, address and city. Then you will enter here the state in state province field as per your requirement. Then enter here the postal code in zip postal code field as per the requirement. And here in remark field, if you want to mention any remark, then you can mention here. Otherwise, you can skip this remark field. Now we will come to GSTIN detail. Here, if you want, then you can mention your GSTIN number. Otherwise, you can skip this field. Then after filling all the details, click here on Pay Now tab. Then different methods of payment will open, in which you will select the desired payment mode according to your requirement. And after mentioning the required details of your payment, you will click on Pay Now tab. And as the payment will be done, then the license file will be received on your registered email ID. So in this way, you can renew your Mark license from Mark ERP software. Now we will see the process to renew Mark license through Mark website, for which we will go to Mark website, that is www.markcompusoft.com. Then click on Payment tab from the given menu bar here. Then the same Mark Gateway window will open. Now we will follow the same process here which we have followed at the time of Mark license renewal through Mark software. So in this way you can also renew your Mark license through Mark website. Now we will see that how you can renew Mark license through SMS. In case of SMS, when you will receive a text message for the renewal of license on your registered mobile number, then you have to simply click on the given click to pay link shown in the text message. Then from this, you will directly switch to Mark Gateway window, where the required details related to license renewal will be autofilled. You have to simply click on Pay Now tab as shown on your phone screen. Then different payment methods will be shown to you, from which you will select your preferred payment method. Then you will enter your card details and click on Pay Now. So as the payment gets successful, then you will receive the license file on your registered email ID. So friends, by following any of the three ways shown in this video, you can renew Mark ERP software license. Thanks for watching.